Hello everyone. We have already seen in our last chapter, in our last video about diversity and discrimination. In that video, we have covered a lot many topics like prejudice, what are stereotypes, how people are differentiated basis on that. Now let us start with our next topic, that is inequality and discrimination. So the base of discrimination is prejudice and stereotype. So when we talk about when this discrimination happens, it the answer of this will be when people act on their prejudice and stereotype, it ultimately leads to discrimination. Discrimination occurs because of few reasons like diversity, which gives us idea about different languages, religions, regions, etc. Also, not just diversity but economic backgrounds as well. Okay, now economic backgrounds and diversity is not something which is very much different from each other. We cannot choose we cannot choose our economic background, whereas we have choice in being diverse, right? To Because it depends on the geographical and physical factors, right? But in economic backgrounds, it is something which we cannot choose, and because of which it can lead to uh, different kind of discriminations, like people can get less opportunities and less resources depending on their economic background. And the third reason, which is the worst reason, that is economic background and the diversity both together. So now this is the worst reason because एक तो वो ऑलरेडी पुअर है, ऊपर से वो उनका इकोनॉमिक बैकग्राउंड भी जो है वो कम है, एंड साथ में उन वो डाइवर्स होने की वजह से वो कुछ ऐसे इससे भी बिलोंग कर सकते हैं, जैसे जो जो ग्रुप्स बहुत ज़्यादा माइनॉरिटी में आते हैं, जैसे कि ट्राइबल्स है, या फिर ऐसे ग्रुप्स जो कि साइडलाइन ग्रुप्स कहलाते हैं. ओके, सो दीज ग्रुप्स आर द वन विच हैव नॉट गेट एनी इम्पोर्टेंस ओवर द period of time. So tribal people and these groups, they are at the third, we can say they are the one which are discriminated depending on the third reason which we saw, that is diversity, as well as depending on their economic background. सो हमें ये समझना चाहिए कि अगर किसी का रीजन कोई किसी रीजन से बिलोंग करता है, या कोई ऐसे ग्रुप से बिलोंग करता है जिसकी प्रोग्रेस नहीं हुई है, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि दे आर अनेबल टू प्रोग्रेस, दे डोंट वांट टू प्रोग्रेस, दे आर नॉट विलिंग टू प्रोग्रेस, बट इट सिंपली मीन दैट there might be some reason that because of their poverty or some other reason they are unable to get the resources, get the opportunities to proceed or to progress. Okay, so also with this, the depending on work, लोगों का जो काम है, their profession, it also has become a basis of discrimination. Previously, anciently, लोगों का जो काम होता था वही उनकी कास्ट बन जाती थी. ओके, एंड उसके बेसिस पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो जाता था. देयर यूज टू बी सम वर्क विच हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ वैल्यू in the whole world. Okay, but कुछ काम ऐसे होते थे which were considered very less important, very menial jobs, and the people who used to do these kind of jobs, they were discriminated against the people who used to do a job which is very much valued in the society. Okay, so this was about the caste system which was followed. और इन ऐसे लोग जो इस तरीके के जॉब करते थे उनको अनटचेबल्स कहा जाता था, और इन्होंने अपने आप को दे प्रेफर टू कॉल देमसेल्स एज दलित, एंड दलित मीन्स broken. Now why they prefer this word, because they choose this word because it represents their social prejudice and stereotype which they were facing by the society. Okay, so and also the government refers these people as scheduled caste, or we call them as SC. Okay, so this was about discrimination depending on the caste. Okay, so we can call as caste system. Also Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, he faced a lot of these kind of problems in his life. Okay, so he was one of the greatest leader of India, and also uh, he was known as father of our constitution as well. He was born in he was born on 14th April 1891, and in the town and military cantonment of Mao in central provinces. Now central provinces is something which is there, which is in Madhya Pradesh right now. Okay, so Ambedkar, he was born into poor family, a Mahar family, which is a Mahar caste, and he was treated as untouchable because they belonged to Dalit caste. Okay, they were Dalit, and he suffered, or he was subjected to lot of social economical discrimination by the society from his childhood till his adulthood, and till the time he became a leader. Okay, so we have a story of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar in our textbook, right? So let us see what it is. So this story belongs to year 1901. That is, it's around 100 years and more that this incident happened. Okay, so at that time, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was 9 years old, and the story occurred in Koregaon, Maharashtra. Okay, now what happened basically was, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar and his brothers, they were standing on station waiting for his father or the servant to come and pick them up. But what happened, because of their caste, they didn't came. Due to some reason, his father and servant were unable to come. So because of which they were trying to find a ride for them so that they can go home. But because of their caste, no one was ready to take them or to give them ride back to home. So this was the first incident which happened as an discrimination with Bhimrao Ambedkar. Not only this, but there are many such incidents which happened in his life. When he went to school, teachers were not giving more attention on him. They were treating him as untouchable. They were letting him sit down instead of sitting on the bench. So these were all kind of problems which he faced in his life, and he is known as one of the best leaders, one of the best Dalit leader, and also he is the father of Indian Constitution, and he was the first person in their caste to complete his higher education. So you can imagine how backward that caste was, how people treated that caste, that nobody from their caste till then had the higher education, but he was the first one who got the higher education in their caste. And also he went to England to study law, and to complete his education. And he had encouraged a lot of Dalits, and told them to send their children to school and colleges, and he had done a lot of work for everyone. And at the end, at the later in his life, he willingly converted himself into Buddhism. He started following Buddhism because the rules, we can say, or the norms of Buddhism very much enlightened him, so he started following it. Now inequality is not just because, or it's not that only few people were fighting for getting justice or fighting against inequality. During the time of freedom struggle, there were many people who were fighting for against inequalities, who faced them, like Dalits, tribals, women, and peasants. So let's see what kind of inequality or what they wanted. Okay, so Dalits, they wanted entry in temples because they did jobs which were not valued much. People were not allowing them in temple, saying that they will make the temple impure. Okay, they will spoil the environment of the temple. So the Dalits people wanted justice by getting entry into the temples. Also at that time, women were not allowed to get education like men's were. Okay, so women also wanted equal right for education like men. Then peasants and tribal people, they were also fighting against the high wages or the high rate of interest which was charged by the money lenders. and they fought against this, the high rate charged by the money lenders, and they wanted justice from them. ओके सो अब ये सारी चीज़ें अगर उस टाइम हो रही है तो ये सारी चीज़ें कहीं ना कहीं इसका इफेक्ट तो होगा ही. सो दिस अल्टीमेटली हैड एन इफेक्ट ऑन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बिकॉज at that time only constitution was formed. Now what is constitution? It is a document that laid out all the rules by which the nation would function after the freedom. सो ये सारी चीज़ों का इफ़ेक्ट जो है वो हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पे पड़ा. और वो कैसा इफ़ेक्ट था? सो it was somehow a positive effect. The leaders who wrote constitution, they wanted to remove all the inequalities which were going on at that time, and their motive was to give equal rights and equal opportunities to everyone in the country. And also they said that untouchability is seen as a crime, and it is legally abolished by the law in the constitution. So anybody in the country had right to have any job. कुछ कोई भी कुछ भी job कर सकता है. Anybody can follow any religion. Anybody can move anywhere in the country and settle down anywhere in the country. Okay, so this is how people started promoting equality by respecting diversity, so that people of the country which are very much diverse, which are not that similar, very much diverse in terms of language, in terms of job, in terms of many different ways. So we promote diversity so that we can ultimately promote equality. We respect diversity of each one of us, right? So people are free to choose their job, choose their language, to choose their festivals which they can celebrate. They can do anything, they can stay anywhere, they can follow any religion, they can follow any festival which they want. And that is the reason why we have a slogan which was given by Jawaharlal Nehru, that is unity in diversity. Okay, and it is very much true that yes, India is a diverse country which has very diverse population. Still we have unity, but it's still till now it's really not that much followed. The equality is not that much followed yet in many regions, many villages, many areas. There are inequalities which takes place. There is the discrimination which takes place in many regions. So I think that it's not just a responsibility, or it's not just anyone's responsibility, right? If we work together and if we try to keep everyone equal, so it's not that difficult to get diversity without having discrimination in the country, right? So I would like to ask a question to you all, that is equality a reason that is it a responsibility only of government? Isn't it a responsibility of people of the country to see to it that equality sustains in the country, right? So please let me know your answers. And I guess we completed our chapter with the diversity and discrimination very well, and I hope you all understood all the topics. Thank you for watching the video.